Hi, this is Jana Whaley. I'm the author of the Disney Princess Crochet Patterns. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the hair, the complete hair for the doll. So let's get started. So the hair for Cinderella is probably the trickiest piece of work in the entire book because you're going to be using some unusual stitches. You're going to be using the double treble crochet stitch and the treble crochet stitch, which is quite a lot of yarning over. It's a very tall stitch. You're going to be doing some, you're going to make this little bump up in the front to make her bangs, and in the back you're going to be doing what's called a popcorn stitch, which makes these kind of bubbles, and you make 3 different popcorn stitches, and then some double crochet in the back to kind of make it to fill in the back. But the first few rounds are just simply single crochets and single crochet increases. For the hair, I'm using Red Heart Super Saver yarn in bright yellow. It's a worsted weight yarn. It's thicker than the kit yarn. The kit yarn is more of a DK or a sport weight. So if you do use the kit yarn, it's going to be, you're going to have a smaller doll. It's going to be like, this is worsted weight doll, and this is about 5 inches, and your kit yarn doll will probably be about 4 inches tall. So I would recommend getting the worsted weight so that you can have all 12 dolls be the same size. All right, here's my yarn. Here's our E-hook 3.5. We're going to start with a slip knot. So make your loop, bring the working yarn underneath, make kind of a pretzel shape, pull it through with your hook, grabbing while you're holding the working yarn and the tail. Pull that loop to tighten the knot. There's your slip knot. Tighten it on the hook. And now I should note that I'm doing this all in right-handed crochet, and I'm sorry I'm not can't give you instructions if you're left-handed, but there are some excellent amigurumi video tutorials for left-handed crochet if you go to www.planetjune.com. She's got some great videos. So I'm going to chain 2, and then I'm going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook 6 times. Okay, let's count. So you've got, so you don't count, when you're counting your stitches, don't count this loop that's on the hook. You count the V after. This is called your working loop. You're going to count this as your first stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it makes a circle. And let's put the hook back in. Let's put our, this is my stitch marker. I use a short piece of contrasting yarn. I like to lay it across the work after the last stitch in the round. And I'm going to insert my hook under both loops. See that little V? Make sure you get both loops. You don't want just the front loop, and you don't want just the back loop. You want both loops. It's very important. Okay, and so this time we're going to double we're going to go from 6 to 12, so we're going to put 2 single crochets in each stitch around. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then the last one, 11, 12. We're back to the stitch marker. See, the stitch marker is just underneath where I'm my last stitch, and it's just slightly to the right of it because it's focusing. Come on, focus for me. Okay, so I'm going to count again, starting under, not the working loop, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And it makes kind of a spiral. See, it's how it's stepped up from our beginning. Now, you don't join the round. Some crochet patterns have you join each round with a slip stitch and then chain to step up. But we don't do that in amigurumi because it creates kind of a line that we don't want in our work. Okay, let's move up this stitch marker. We're going to go to round 3, which is to single crochet in the next single crochet and then single crochet 2 in the next single crochet, and repeat those steps for 6 times. So single crochet first and then move to the next one and then do an increase by, so we've increased 2 stitches to 3 stitches. Okay, next single crochet and then increase, single crochet, increase. Oh, popped out there. Okay, end of the round. Now, see, it's just going to continue in this manner. So, it's kind of boring. It's going to be kind of boring until I get to round 7. So I've got my 6, my 12, my 18. So if you know your 6 times tables, it goes 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. And so row 6 gets me to 36. So I'm gonna jump ahead in my video. I'm just gonna do those regular increases, and then I'll meet you at row 7. Okay, so I have finished rounds 1 through 6 of the hair. I have a stitch count of 36 around, and I'm ready to start with round 7 is where it gets exciting with our double, triple crochet popcorn stitches. So, but before we go on, sorry, I've got bronchitis. Okay, so you notice sometimes you get kind of a little donut hole in the first round because of those because you make a lot of single crochets in that first chain. And this is going to be visible on the top of the head. So like here's my head, you know, and you'll be able to see that. If you want to tighten that up, you can do that. You can grab your needle and the beginning tail and you're going to weave through the backs of those stitches. Those 6 stitches. So I'm going through the back posts of these 6 single crochets in the first round. And then give that tail tug, pull it tightly. And then you can look and you can see that I've tightened up so there's no little donut hole anymore. And then you'll want to secure the yarn in the back by doing an overhand knot. So go through one of your stitches. Oops, losing my tail. And then go through again. And so for overhead knot, just bring the tail through the loop. And then there's kind of a little twist there, and it tightens into an overhead knot. And this is going to be on the inside of your hair piece, so you don't have to weave this in. You can just see there's the wrong side, there's the right side. So we're going to kind of turn it around so the right side is convex and your working loop is closest to you. Let's get the hook back in there. Okay, here we go. Time for double, triple crochet stitches. And with your double, triple crochet stitches, you're going to, I'll show you real quick the differences. So, so of course you've got your single crochet where you don't wrap the hook before you go through. So there's single. And then you've got your half double where you wrap it and then you just pull it through all of them. So that's half double. And then you've got your double where you wrap it once and you've got 3, and then you go to wrap yarn over again, pull it through 2, leaving 2 on the hook, and wrap it through again. So it's kind of like your double crochet is like 2 single crochets stacked on top of each other. Triple crochets, you're going to wrap the, you're going to yarn over twice. So you've got 2 wraps on the hook, go under, pull, yarn over. You've got 4 on the hook, yarn over, then you go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. So that's a triple crochet, and it's like 3 single crochets stacked on top of each other. And you can see how they're stepping up. You've got single, half, double, triple. So double, triple crochet. And this one we wrapped twice. This one we're going to wrap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to go into the stitch, yarn over again. So now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches on that hook. Yarn over again, go through just 2. I've got 4 on the hook. Yarn over again, go through just 2. Got 3 on the hook. Yarn over again, go through just 2. 2 on the hook. Yarn over again. And there it is. There's your double, triple crochet. They could call it the quad crochet because it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 single crochets stacked up. And then finally, later on in this pattern, we're going to use the triple, triple crochet, and that is the, so we've got your double, triple, so we're going to wrap it how many times? Oh, let's see. Double, triple, double, triple. So we wrap it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Wow. So here we go. So yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Finally, yarn over, goes to the last 2. So that is your triple, triple. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochets. Crazy nuts, huh? So again, single, half, double, treble, double, treble, 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 or triple. So this single, no wraps, half double, a wrap, double, a wrap, and then 2 wraps, 3 wraps, 4 wraps. Okay, so I'm gonna rip these out because these were just for demonstration. All right, so let's go back to the pattern. So we're going to make 5 double trebles in the first stitch. So 1, 2, 3, and we go in that first stitch, yarn over, and then we go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, and again we go 1, 2, 3, 3 wraps, and then yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. 1, 2, 3 wraps. Same hole. Open. Go yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. Now we've got, so far we've got 3 double treble crochets. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, once more. 1, 2, 3. And in the same hole again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, wow. Now, what you want to do, so the next part, make your working loop bigger, and then pull your hook out. Then you're going to want to use your finger and kind of bulge out those, that fence of double triples towards you, towards the right side. Now you're going to count back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See those V's on top? You see, I don't know if you can see. This yellow is not agreeing with my green background. Maybe I need to change it to black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so then I'm going to put my hook in the V right before. See, this is the first double treble crochet. I'm going to put my hook under that first V. I'm going to reach behind, grab that working loop. I'm going to tighten that up a little. And then I'm going to pull it through under. Oops, popped right out. Okay, let's try that again. Don't lose that working yarn. Pull it through. There. So there's our first popcorn stitch made with double treble stitches. Okay, we're going to try this black background, see if that agrees better with this yellow. It seems like there's kind of a glare from the yellow yarn. So here's we just did that first popcorn stitch. Next, we're going to chain 2. Okay, and then we're going to skip the next 2 single crochet. So we go back to this round 6. We go skip, skip, and then in the third one, we're going to do a triple crochet popcorn. So we're going to wrap 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Go down through the loop, yarn over, pull through, and now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the hook, rather. Okay, and then yarn over, and then go through 2, yarn over, 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 go through 2. All right, so there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like 5 stacked up single crochets. That's your triple crochet. Let's do another one. 1, 2, 3, 4 wraps, same hole, yarn over, and then yarn over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 4. Same hole again, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 3. There you go. Wrap 4 times. Go in the same hole. Yarn over, pull through. 6 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, pull through 2. 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 Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3, 4 wraps on the hook. Go through the same hole again. Yarn over, pull through. 6 loops on our hook. Yarn over again, pull through 2. 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 Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triple crochets on the hook. We're gonna make your working loop a bit bigger. Take your hook out. Go back to the stitch right before this first triple. Put your hook under both loops. Reach behind and grab that working loop. Tighten it up. Pull it through. Tighten up a little more. Then make sure your bubble is just pushed out towards the front. And we're going to chain 2. 1, 2. And then our pattern tells us to skip the next 2. So we come down here, skip, skip. We're going to go on the third one and do another double triple. So we wrap 3 times and we're going to yarn over. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over again, pull through 2. Wrap 3 times. Go in the same hole, yarn over, pull through, 5 on the hook, yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over again, pull through 2. Wrap 3 times, go in the same hole, yarn over, pull through, 5 loops on the hook, yarn over again, and then we go 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 1, 2, 3 wraps. Go through the same hole again. Yarn over 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3 wraps. Go through the hole. Yarn over, pull through. 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over again. Pull through. First 2. Yarn over again, pull through 2. Yarn over again, pull through 2. Yarn over again, pull through 2. All right, so there's your 5. Take your hook out of the working yarn, working loop, put it in, and both loops of the loop right before this first double triple crochet. Reach behind, pull the working loop through, give it a little tug to snug it up. And let's see, we don't chain this time. We're going to single crochet in the next 8 single crochets. So come back down to the base here, row 6. We're going to go single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now you can see we've got these big puffy stitches. This is going to be the back of the head where she's got kind of the updo. And now we're going to start forming the bangs. So we're going to double crochet in the next, triple crochet in the next 11. So we're going to wrap once, go under the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, pull through 2 loops. And we have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over again, pull through the 2 loops. That's our double crochet. Now we're going to do triple crochets in the next 11. So we wrap twice, go through the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. We have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, go through 2, yarn over again, go through 2, yarn over again, go through 2. Okay, wrap twice, go through, yarn over, pull through. 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Wrap twice, go through, yarn